What does it say?
Phantom, Moidoi, Captain Quantum, Klatchki. Me. Attention, Resistance. I'm posting the Emperor's hit list to our network. Come on, let's fix that communicator. We've got a dimension to save before the Emperor finds us too.
Oh. The part to repair Clank on Skarstu debris field.
And blast off! What's on your mind? Come on, let's hear it.
I am feeling a bit responsible for all of this. Perhaps it is because of me that the dimensions are falling apart, that Ratchet and I are lost.
Oh, yeah. Well?
In a way, yeah.
Hey, your communicator's about to get fixed, so that's something.
Right.
Look for Zurki in the gastropub. So this is your selection. Oh, you can go to Nefarious City, is there? That's actually pretty cool. And it tells you basically completed the area, I guess. I want to go over this again, actually. Because I didn't complete this area, but I can't do anything else. I'm probably gonna have to end up returning there at some point. Okay, I'm really curious. I'm gonna have to look that up. Oh, this place is small.
So, this is Zurki's gastropub and battleplex. If there's anywhere in the universe we'll find a part to fix you up, it's here.
I hope you are right. The destruction of the Dimensionator seems to have caused a sort of dimensional cataclysm. If I cannot find Ratchet...
Don't worry, Bolts. I'll get you fixed up. Promise.
What? Huh? What does that mean? Oh, that's like out of bounds. Okay, but like, why can't I go down here? Oh, there's a bolt, but how do I get it? Oh, that is disorienting as crap.
It's almost happy hour.
Okay, so the game knows I've seen it.
This is Zurki's gastropub and battleplex. If there's anywhere in the universe we'll find a part to fix you up, it's here.
I hope you are right. The destruction of the Dimensionator seems to have caused a sort of dimensional cataclysm.
Yeah, I got it.
If I cannot...
It's probably not the right way to do it, but it's the way I got it. RPG? Of course. That's fun.
So, this is Zurky's Gastropub and Battleplex. If there's anywhere in the universe we'll find a part to fix you up,
Yeah, it's here. Got it.
I hope you are right. The destruction of the Dimensionator seems to
Seems
have caused a sort of
dimensional
cataclysm. If I cannot
Heard this
find
voice line
Ratchet,
3 times
Don't worry,
now.
Bolts. I'll get you fixed up. Promise.
Hey, look, it's Mort's. Oh, oh. Please, please.
Yes!
Ooh,
Ooh, I love the look of that.
beautiful.
Now, where's the exit?
Let's see that. That looks stupid. Oh! I thought I'd already grabbed onto it. That's why I panicked. Because I was like, wait.
So, he jumped up and walloped that secret piece so hard, the whole darn thing came crashing down. Oh, yeah? Yeah. And then she picked up that little fella and stuck him in her dad.
Oh, the little shiny fella?
Wait, what are the collectibles here? There are 4 armor pieces and 2 golden bolts here. How? Wait, do you have that gun you were talking about already?
Wanna make your enemies go bzzz?
Say, is that thunder I hear?
Right.
No, it's the lightning rod. Finish them to send the lightning toward their troublesome teammates. Upgrade the lightning rod.
That's actually pretty cool.
Sorry, no open sales here.
What is it? I meant to talk to the cloud.
That is one mighty fine enhancement. Looks like you got
Thanks.
some open sales and the raritanium to match.
Stop.
Leaving so soon?
No, yay. What? Yeah, I'm just gonna. Oh. Can I make it? Can I make it? Oh, these textures actually, though. I know that's irrelevant. I'm trying to make my way back up. Those textures. Wow. Okay, so what exactly does...
Do you spend much time here?
Yeah, this place is kind of a safe haven for the Resistance. I hope the Emperor didn't find that out, too.
Welcome to Zurkies, your newly interdimensional gastro pub and battleplex. I will take your coat and also all your weapons.
Think I'd be used to that by now.
Thanks for coming to
Oh, my stuff's been yoink.
Zurkies, where we slaughter with a smile.
Oh. Excuse me? It's so fluffy. I didn't even see it. What did I grab? A Krager bear. I didn't even see the Krager bear. I can't talk to you.
Zurky's usually behind the bar. He'll know where to find the pirate with the spare parts.
It's too bad Turkey's is a violence-free zone. Lot of nice vessels around just
Can we go talk to Zurky? The sooner we fix my communicator, the better.
Whoa, the battle arena.
The universe seems even more unstable, unfortunately.
Where is he? Hi. Are you? Please stop.
Can we go talk to Zurky? The sooner we fix my communicator, the better. No. Oh.
Namaste, and peace be with you, Rivet.
Hey, Zurky, have you seen our favorite first mate anywhere? I need a signal booster.
Well. We meet again, my wee chérie.
Give me the part.
Did you follow me here? Another fruitless effort to win my affection?
Give me the part, Pierre.
Time and again, I tell you, my heart is taken. And yet...
Rusty Pete?
Rusty? Mon Dieu. Your friend has a saucy tongue. My name is Pierre Lafer. Pirate extraordinaire.
I'll fight you for it.
Zurkies is a violence-free zone. Take it outside.
I am more lover than fighter. And for you, I will always make an exception.
Alright.
Ready to kick some robo butt?
I have many issues with that question.
But
But why not? Where do we sign up to battle?
There's a console on that big wall of windows over there. It's cool. I'll show you.
alright, what do you want me to do?
Welcome, my niece, to
It's ZURKON Jr.
Junior's Slaughterplex. Are you ready to witness the excitement, the pain, the carnage?
Yeah.
Tonight, the favorite Reddit will fight the traitorous pirate. Countless and
Why must every dimension have a dangerous battle arena?
But first, you must prove you're worthy.
The pirates are coming through rifts.
Gotta admire them for always finding new ways to cheat.
Ah, yes! We're heading through the traffic of space-time. A two expecting we would have won by now! As amusing as this is to watch, fire, my fire!
I lost me sights on him!
Look at the spread on that thing! Ignore the magic!
Nice. Okay, so you get like rewards for beating them. So that's where you get all this stuff from. Because I was like, this place is too small to have all of this.
Sacré bleu! Oh! I have sprained my ankle! Ah! But have no fear. My less attractive stunt double will battle in my stead. Bonsoir!
Oh! Hello, Francois.
The weak and pitiful Pierre has tagged with his partner, who is
It is an honorable discharge!
Francois seems large.
Why am I surprised that Pierre's running from us? Doesn't matter. I'm getting that signal booster. Looks like you're gonna need a new partner, Pierre!
my revenge. But here, take your bath.
Victory.
Ooh.
Eureka! She's done it.
Ratchet, can you hear me? Ratchet, can you hear me?
Clank, are you okay? Where are you? I saw that Lombax take you in.
I am fine. In fact, I am with the Lombax now.
Hey, I'm Rivet.
What?
Hi. Wow, this is...
Oh, wait, okay. I have to tell you something. Dr. Nefarious just crowned himself Emperor of this dimension.
He did what? No. I've got my hands full with my own Nefarious.
That's the thing.
We've got to get him and us out of here, but...
Without the Dimensionator...
I think we have to build a new one. I met a prophet from Savali named Gary. He would know what to do.
I'm only a few sectors away from there. I can go check it out.
What can we do?
Do you have the planet Blizar Prime in this dimension?
Yeah? Why?
We can locate the phase quartz used to power the Dimensionator there. If I am right, we will be able to recreate the device in no time.
I guess we better get started then. I'm glad you're okay, buddy.
You too, Ratchet.
Be careful out there.
Wow. Another Lombax.
Let's build this thing. Nice work back there. Bet we could win the Bronze Cup before heading to Blizar Prime. Wouldn't mind the extra bolts to gear up.
You read my mind. Nice.
Can our Lombax handle something more deadly? Say, the bone-melting acid swamps of Zurkon! How is Digital Zurkon meant to run an arena of doom with no ability to control the action? And finally, Little Zurkon ushers our champion too! The bone-melting, face-searing, acid swamps of Sargasso! A change is made to my plans of doom!
Speed us like 2 seconds. Okay, that's a really cool screenshot. Carbon advanced boots. Did that seriously level up the Enforcer? That one hit? Oh, I can't do anything else? Man.
You've gotten a little quiet back there. Everything okay?
I may have slightly misrepresented the difficulties of building a Dimensionator.
I mean, sure. We all knew it wasn't gonna be easy.
So, if your Zurkon, Zurky, is non-violent, why does he have a battle arena?
Well, Zurky's is a family business. He runs the gastropub, and Ms. ZURKON sponsors that arena. Zurky Jr. is the charming arena announcer.
That is, quaint.
Okay, where were we? Right. Well, I mean, sure. We all knew it wasn't gonna be easy.
Yes, but phase quartz is
One of the rarest minerals in the universe. Right.
Shame, I wanted to do more.
Hey there, Rivet! If you're hearing this and can spare a moment or two, Trudy sure could use your help on Sargasso.
Trudy?
She's a friend. Probably has nothing to do with saving the dimension, but Mort wouldn't ask if it wasn't important.
Ever dreamed of tunneling straight to your enemies? Make the dream a reality with the Drill Hound!
Who's so cute? The Drill Hound, our finest breed of weapon. Pull the fire trigger halfway to lock this burrowing adorable rocket launcher onto your filthy target. Pull it fully to launch. Upgrade to lock onto even more targets.
Sorry, no open sales here. I do like the sight of that. Treat yourself to an upgrade. You earned it.
Dude, it's always that guy. No. Oh, that was me leveling up. Oh, wow. Okay, that's the way they do it. They just add another row. Okay. It's actually not bad.
He is the worst!
He is the worst. There are 2 robots I can get here. So... where's my ship? Is this way? What?
Hello, Dimension. I know I've been away for, you know how long. So, I thought we should catch up. What have I been up to? Oh, just speaking with my adoring fans. Enjoying my lovely scenery. And finding out that there are two insolent lumbaxes running around trying to ruin everything! So, I'm offering a bounty of 3 squillion Nefarious freedom coupons to anyone who can bring me those fuzzy miscreants, dead or alive! But preferably alive, so I can have some fun with them first. My elaborate spy network indicates that they'll be at Blizzard and Savali very soon. So,
what?
Get to it!
How did he know that?
If those lumbaxes are listening, just know.
Like, I'd really
I'm
like
gonna
to see
crush
Space Actor.
you
I was about to
into
comment on
dust,
that, but
and
how did he know
then
that?
I'll blast that dust into a sun, and then I'll dump that sun into.
Great. Now I'm on 2 Nefarious hit lists.
And he knows where we are going. Oh, dear.
Savali, Blazer Prime.
I haven't forgotten about you, Trudy.
Okay. So where's the shooter? Over here. Is there anything else new?
What's the matter with Trudy?
Oh, hey there, Rivet. Oh, she's just hungry for zurpstones. Normally she nabs them from those rock islands.
Oh,
up
been
there,
over there.
But I guess she's too tired to fly today.
Yeah, I know how to get there.
Up late partying again? Don't worry, I'll grab him.
Oh, you're a peach. We'll be waiting right here when you get back.
Well, that's
Rivet
good.
will be back with those big, juicy zurpstones anytime now. Oh, Trudy, look! Rivet brought you some zurpstones. You know, if you ever wanted to grab some more, I'd consider trading those ranger boots behind me for them. I'll mark your map with all the zurpstones in the area, just in case you're interested.
If we wish to look now,
Fancy.
I bet this beetle would prove quite useful.
Oh, wow. Wow.
You mean the first time we met?
Hot dog, look at all those zurpstones. These ranger boots are all yours. Now, Trudy here's got a big appetite. So, if you find the rest of the zurpstones, I'll give you this rhino spy bot, too.
The rest?
Oh, what's that you say there, Trudy? You want to help Rivet find them? Well, you heard her. Just hop on her back when you're ready to go after them.
Awesome.
Excellent. Fine.
Rendering modes and games of filter noir sepia. So I accidentally I'm so glad I noticed this, but I somehow ended up stopping the recording. Something happened. The recording stopped right around the time I started flying around. Anyways, this idiot learned how to shoot fireballs, and I figured out how to do stuff. And that's it. There's nothing interesting.
Gelatonium factory, here I come.
Oh, and I got a golden bolt.
Oh, my Lord! Look at all that zurp! You earned this spy bot and then some.
How long will it take Trudy to eat everything?
Oh, 5 days, 6 tops. But all more to worry about next week.
Sargasso, the land that time forgot. Or rather, the land the Emperor took one look at and could not forget fast enough. Full of acidic swamps, primordial beasts, and bugs. Lots of bugs. The Emperor quickly decided that there were better ways to spend his time than conquering this mudball. The Gelatonium outpost once belonged to the Kirchu tribe, but they were wiped out when they accidentally misspelled the Emperor's name on their tax returns. Since then, the Morts have moved in and salvaged what they could. Officially, they remain neutral in the galactic conflict, but unfortunately, rumors have arisen that they have been harboring a key member of the Resistance in secret.
Alright. That was a lot. That was, not a very fun completion minigame, if I'm being honest. But I did it, and as soon as I could get 45 and shoot fireballs, it was fine. Yeah. That definitely put a damper on my experience with this game so far.